Manoj Bajpayee and Samantha Akineni grabbed all the headlines before the release of the second season of The Family Man. The web series was indeed highly anticipated and it lived up to expectations of the audience. However, the road to the release was not smooth for the cast and the makers. When the series got released, Tamil Nadu's IT Minister T. Manu Thangaraj had penned a letter that said that the series not only heard the sentiments of Elam Tamils but also the feelings of the people in Tamil Nadu. Now, the actress has apologized for the same in an interview. While talking to an entertainment portal, Samantha said, "I allow people to have their own opinions. If they decided to stay with that opinion, I am very sorry for hurting anyone's sentiments. I sincerely apologize as it was not something I intended on doing at all. I did not mean to hurt anyone. So if I did, I am extremely sorry. I'm glad that though once the show did release, a lot of the noise stopped. I guess some saw it wasn't so bad after all. For the people who didn't and still continue to hold resentment, I sincerely apologize." For the unversed, while The Family Man 2 became the most trending topic and a hit online, it also invited the wrath of people from Tamil Nadu. Netizens had started protesting the portrayal of Tamil group as a terrorist organization in the show. The hashtag FamilyMan2 against Tamils started trending on Twitter soon after the trailer's release, and people had already started condemning the series and the role of Samantha in the same. Samantha joined the cast as the new antagonist, Raji, for this outing. Not just that, there were also rumors that Samantha is planning to take a break from movies as she has been working non-stop. Samantha made her debut in the year 2010 and since then she has been working back to back. In an interview, Samantha shared that she is planning to take a break from showbiz for a couple of months as it has been 11 years since she hasn't taken one. Recently, at the latest edition of Indian Film Festival of Melbourne, stars Manoj Bajpayee and Samantha bagged the Best Actors Award for their commendable performances in the second season of The Family Man.